Porsche has introduced the 911 Challenge, a factory-backed race car based on the 911 GT3. It will be eligible for one make racing series, including the new Porsche Sprint Trophy Porsche Owners Club races. The 911 Challenge uses a 508 horsepower 4-liter flat-six engine, paired with a 7-speed PDK transmission. Its racing equipment includes an FIA-spec roll cage, fire suppression system, adjustable racing seat, 29-gallon fuel cell, air jack system, and racing slicks on 18-inch wheels. Inside, the car removes airbags, sound deadening, and standard trim, while retaining air conditioning. The steering wheel comes from the GT3 RS with enhanced racing-specific functions, and the windshield uses a single wiper. The 911 Challenge is scheduled to go on sale at a later date in 2027 for $275,000, including import and delivery.